Hello, welcome back to another video of JavaScript. In this video we will create array and to create the array what you have to do, you just have to take a variable and with the square bracket you can create an array, and this will be an empty array. Now if you want to insert the records or the elements or item inside this fruit array, then you have to use the double quote. Also you can use the single quote as well. So let me show using the single quotation. So this way you can create the array. If you want to create with the double quote, then you can use this syntax. So remember that you have to change the variable name over here. Here you can give fruits1, and this will be the using the single quote, and this one will be the using the double quote. Another way, there is a array constructor. Using the array constructor also you can create the array. For example, first declare a variable and you can assign it with the array constructor. So this one is nothing but the array constructor, and here you have to use the parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis you have to specify your items or elements. Okay, so as you can see that we are storing the numbers, that's why I have given the name numbers, and you can see these are all homogeneous element. So in the above also you can see homogeneous element. So this one also homogeneous elements inside this particular fruit array. Now let me show you how you can access the elements using the index. So for example, from this particular array I want to access this particular apple. Okay, apple item. Then what we have to do, I have just to mention the 0th index of the array. So here you have to specify the fruit, and using the square bracket you can specify the 0. So if you specify this one, you will get the result of the you will get the value of the first element. So and if you'll try to run it, let me run this one, then if you click on the run button you can see that it is printing apple. And if you want to access this particular element, then what you have to do, you just have to copy in, and using the index you can access that one. For example, here you have to specify 1 here, and if you'll save it and if you'll run it, you will get apple as well as orange, this one. If you want to access this one, then what you have to do, you just have to copy the code, and here you have to specify the index 2, right? So this way using the index you can access apple, orange, banana, right? If you want to access this particular fruits 1 array, then you have to specify the name of the array here. Okay, so you can see that using one particular variable I can store multiple value. So this is one of the advantages of the array, that I can store 2, 3, 4 or many values inside one particular variable name, and through the index I can access the elements of the array. Now if you want to access the elements of number array, then using the index you can also do that. For example, inside the console log, just use the numbers name of the array, then inside the square bracket just mention the index 0. So if you'll do this, you will get the element 1, right? So if you run it, so before that save it and then just run. So here you can see that we are getting 1 here, right? So in the similar way, if you want to access the first index, second index, that is also possible. So you have to specify 1, then you have to specify 2, 3, like this way. So you can write your code. Okay, and after that if we'll save it, now what we'll get 1, 2 and 3. So before that let me clear it, and now save it and run this code, and you can see that we are getting 1, 2, 3. So this way you can create the array and you can access the element through the index. So from this example you can easily see that arrays are like boxes that can hold multiple values. under a single name, and imagine each box has the compartment. So apple is present inside a compartment, orange is present inside a compartment, banana is present inside a compartment. And as we know that we can access these elements using their position called index, right? So in JavaScript the index starts from 0 and gradually it will increase. So JavaScript language is 0 indexed array system it actually uses. So this one present in the 0th index, and this one is the second index, this one is the first index. And also you can create you can take a assignment here. You just create a score of the students, or you can create a array student grades and just create it, and you can give the solution or the syntax in the comment section. I'll try to verify it. So this is the basic example of the array. Now in the next videos we will be discussing how you can access through the loops, or how you can insert, update and delete inside the array. Here also remember one point, in this video we have created just homogeneous types of element. All the data is the similar type, so that's why these are homogeneous. But in our later videos we will also create the heterogeneous type, and where we will dynamically assign the value as well. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.